Lemon and acid reflux is a topic that confuses many people. Most assume that lemon will always make reflux worse because it tastes acidic. This is not entirely accurate. Lemon juice has a pH of around 2, which is very acidic outside your body. However, once you digest it, lemon has an alkalizing effect in your system. Some people with reflux find that diluted lemon water actually helps their symptoms. Others experience immediate burning and discomfort. The difference comes down to individual tolerance, timing, and how you consume it. Drinking concentrated lemon juice on an empty stomach will likely trigger reflux in most people, but a few drops of lemon in warm water 30 minutes before meals may improve digestion for some. The key is dilution. Always mix lemon juice in at least 8 ounces of water. Start with just a few drops and observe how your body responds over several days. If you notice worsening symptoms, stop immediately. Listen to your body instead of following blanket dietary rules.